Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to hop here real quick and give you my 2 cents of motivation. I think this is mostly for me, but I still wanted to talk about this with you all. And that is whatever happens. So we are entering 2021 now, right? It's almost the end of 2020. It's been difficult for a lot of you, including myself. The year started off very well, but then COVID came as a surprise and it kind of took all of us down at some level or the other. Of course, a lot of people also kind of figured out how to make money through this time and be happy. But I think for me, it was a very troubling time in terms of the financial goals that I had set for my e-commerce business. Yet mentally, I've been at a very good place because I'm constantly like the entire 7 8 months previous 7 8 months I've been trying to just figure out how can I make use of the time, how can I get ahead in this time where most people might just be like cribbing and complaining and getting lazy. And that is what has helped me stay tight in my mind. So just wanted to talk about that a little bit. We are entering 2021. So even if you've had a tough 2020, even if you've had a tough last couple of years, you need to now start planning towards a bigger, better, mightier, and just more prosperous mentally as well as financially 2021, right? And that is what I'm heading towards. So this is something that I had done last year as well. I usually start to plan 2021 ahead of time, the next year ahead of time before we actually hit New Year's, because that is not the best idea. Like, it's not the best idea to actually reach the new year and on the first figure out, okay, now what do we do with that? You should have a plan for what you need to be doing the next year before you enter that next year, right? So that is something that I just wanted to kind of put out there as a piece of like as a seed thought, so that you guys can start thinking about that and planning your time, planning your year ahead of time. And it's very important. The more planned you are in terms of your steps, unless you're at a stage where you're just like content, comfortable, and you just think that okay, this is like you are in a good place, right? But a lot of us, including myself, we are still trying to kind of get to our safe zone or safe haven, or a place in like out there where which seems like comfortable and content for us. So for me, it's a long way ahead, but I do have a timeline, and I'm kind of working towards my goal towards March 2022 actually, right? So that is what's in my head. Just wanted to kind of throw this idea out there and understand like what are you guys going through, what's happening with you all. Let's connect below in the comment section and just chat about this, right? Let's be candid and talk about these things. All right, then I'll see you guys in the comments and in the DMs.